Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your bank card to your Samsung phone. Samsung Pay offers a convenient and secure way to make purchases using just your device. It supports a wide range of credit and debit cards from numerous banks. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your phone or shared with merchants. Instead, a unique digital token is used for each transaction, providing an extra layer of security for your financial information. To begin, locate and open the Samsung Wallet application on your Samsung smartphone. Once inside the app, look for and tap the plus sign icon, typically found at the top right, to initiate the process of adding a new payment card. You will then have the option to either use your phone's camera to scan your physical card, which often autofills many details, or manually input all the required card information yourself. After entering your card details, your bank will need to verify the card for security purposes. This crucial step ensures that you are the legitimate cardholder. Often, this verification involves receiving a one-time passcode via a text message to your registered phone number or an email to your associated address. Simply enter this code into the Samsung Wallet app when prompted to finalize the verification and activate your card for use. Once your card is successfully added and verified, using Samsung Pay is incredibly simple. To make a payment, just swipe up from the bottom edge of your phone's screen to quickly launch the Samsung Pay interface. You will then need to authenticate your identity using your chosen method, such as your fingerprint, a PIN, or an iris scan. Finally, hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete your secure transaction in seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.